My mum brought this smoothie maker. I think it was 11 quid.
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, something like that. So we used it a few weeks back, and we did quite well with making banana smoothies. So I'm going to show you how to make one, and hopefully it works. So you need to chop the. One thing we learned is that you need to chop the banana up quite a bit because it struggles when it's too bigger chunks. Also helps if your banana's really ripe, so you want a really spotty one. Unfortunately this one isn't overly spotty, so I'll add
it's more riper, isn't it? More flavour.
It's just more sweet, so it tastes better. So I'll put some maple syrup in this one.
You don't do it, the dog likes banana.
That's a brand new one. Oh, don't let him eat that.
Yeah.
Bit of maple syrup.
What are you putting in there? Tablespoon? Teaspoon?
Probably a teaspoon. And then some peanut butter. Probably a teaspoon again. And some chocolate, again, another teaspoon. Oh, chuck it over your dad's van. Should have just got a teaspoon, really, shouldn't I?
Oh, right.
Little
like
brush.
a tablespoon, that.
I like chocolate. And then fill her up with some milk. Any milk of choice, whatever you like. Pop the lid on. And press go. Give it a shake.
Oh, doing it. That's alright for a battery one, isn't it?
Yeah, so it will, to start with, when there's quite a bit in there, it'll clog up a little bit, but then it will go for it. We managed to make 3 smoothies, and then it needed recharging. But it's just a little USB thing. Let's give it a shake. While we were on Shell Island, me and Kim became the smoothie queen, doing this every morning. Okay. Get my little bottle. Do it out of here so I don't end up spilling it in Dad's van. There's no chunks in that. There we go. Bon appetit. That's good.
Yeah.
Very good. Au revoir.
Yeah, I've just tried that and that is absolutely bloody amazing. And that chocolate, ooh, brilliant. Well, great. You try some, Lewis? Have his opinion?
Chipped up by the dog. Done a good job, hasn't it?
Yeah, very nice.
Right, if you loved the video, please give it a thumbs up and a like. That would be great. And these £11 smoothies do the job. Take care. We'll catch you in the next one. Say bye, Kate. Bye,
Bye.
Kate.